We've all got work to do. Full-time job, part-time job, side hustle, passion project, all of the above. 9 to 5? Let's be honest, we're always working on something. Some days work can be, and other days it can be a little, yeah. That's why we created Shift. We minimize the digital clutter so that you have more time for the work that needs to get done. How does it work? Shift is the desktop workstation that makes everything easier, and it's personalized to you, no matter what sort of work you do. Add your accounts in Google services and connect hundreds of your favorite apps, from social media and messaging to your top productivity tools. Shift is all about helping you manage work, life, and play better. And guess what? Unified search means you can find exactly what you're looking for across all of your accounts, even if you can't remember which inbox, calendar, or drive you last saw it in. We've all got work to do. Ready to do it smarter? Try Shift today.